Hello guys, this is Jason and today I want to talk to you about something special. Most of the men are big fan of cars, no matter a baby or an old man. Guys, I'm recording. What the hell was that? Last week I was walking on Janbaz Street and I heard something like something like what you heard. And then I took out my phone from my pocket rapidly and started recording. What the hell did I say? Working. I started recording for you guys. So let's watch these brilliant cars together. Holy shit, that was awesome, wasn't it?